Hello friends, I want to tell you this is a prop firm. You can go to description section and click the link below and go to this prop firm to buy a challenge and to become a full-time trader which don't risk your capital and risk the a small amount of capital to buy the account to pass and make profit consistently with this prop firm. This is a very trusted prop firm which is situated in UK and there is lots of customer reviews in Trustpilot and a very high rating in the Trustpilot. In that prop firm, there are lots of things you want to know. First, you want to know there is three types of account and there are three types of account. First step, two step, three step. And first step account there is alpha 1 account, two step account there are four type of accounts, 6%, 8%, 10% and swing trading account. And three step account there is alpha 3 account is only one type of account. And if you want to go to two step account, you have four choices. These are that 6, 8%, 10% and swing account. If you want to 5% account buy, if you want to go to 10k account buy, if your 20k buy or 50k, 100k or 200k. If you want to become a bigger account trader, you want to go to buy a 200k account. In that account, you have leverage of 1 is to 100 and simple profit target is 6% and 6% for step 1 and 6% for step 2. And if you want to go to 8%, then you have 8% profit target and 5% second profit target. If you want to go to alpha to 10, then you have a simple profit target of 10% and second step have 5% target. And you have maximum daily drawdown on each account 5%, 6% have 3%, 8% have 4% and 10% have 5% daily drawdown. And there is no estimated restriction of days to trade. There is only you can trade as much as time you want to take. There is unlimited to pass to page 1 and pass to page 2. There is unlimited days. And for 80%, if you have passed account, you can gain 80% profit with this prop firm. And this is very trusted prop firm. For if you want to go to 200k account, then you can buy $997 of 200k 10% account and 8% if you want to go to 200k account for 8% drawdown, 8% target and 4% daily drawdown, then you have 1097 $1097 to pay for this prop firm to buy this account. You want to go to description section and click the link and you can buy which type of account you want to take to buy. And you can select bi-weekly payout or on-demand payout and you can select no commission and EA no use and you can fill there your credentials, your details here and you can apply coupon code if you have, and you have don't have, then you can go to just click and click these and proceed. I want to tell you this is very trusted platform which you can trade. If you have purchased an account, then you have some details provided by this platform like login ID, password and server ID. You take these three and go to the platform which you want to trade. As like you choose MT5 or MT4 platform to choose, you go to the server of that platform and make that platform to download. If you download this, then you can go to here and go to login account and you can add login details and password details and server ID and login. And if you have login, you can click here terminal section and you can click terminal section and you can click here trade and you can here see which amount of account you can buy. If you have buy 200k account, then there is 200k balance here. And if you want to going to trade with these currencies like crypto, gold or Nasdaq equity or forex pairs like Euro USD, USD Euro JPY, any of market you want to trade, you can go to these markets. Or if you want to trade more markets, you can go to here view section and go to market watch and see all the details, all the market types which you want to going to trade like these. You have different type of forex pairs here and equity and commodity, gold, silver, platinum, all these pairs, all these markets details in this watch list. If you want to trade with pound and dollar, you can just click here and drag and drop here, and then you can see there is chart of pound and dollar is open up. And if you want to buy or sell as per trending the market, if you want to buy, you see there is trending of market, then you can buy in this market. If the market is in selling, then you can sell the market, and you can select here and fill lot size. Like you, if you want to buy 200k account, you take 0.5% or 0.25% risk per trade, and diverts all your trades, not place all the risk in same trade. You can only take one trade and take risk of 0.25%, means 500 or $250 risk on each trade which you going to trade. First you're going to trade, and then you can decide your risk and reward ratio first, and after you deciding risk and reward ratio, you can select lot size and fill here. Like I am going to take 0.5 lots of trade on this pair, and you can, if I want to buy, then I can click here buy and set a stop loss here. Just take horizontal line and set stop loss here and take profit as your reward ratio as you set. First of all, I want to say you can decide which market, which only one market you going to trade, and select that market and going to trade this market for successful and pass that challenge, and then you can go to different markets to trade and withdraw your profits consistently. And I am going to again with this from Alpha Capital Pro and Alpha Capital, and you can go to here blank section. If you have logging details, then you can have dashboard, get started, account metrics, trade assessment, payout and payout history, competition, and all the things are here. And if you have buy an account, then your account details are here, and you can take progress of your account here on dashboard section. First of all, I want to say you go to description section and click the link to buy an account with this Alpha Capital prop firm, and you become a successful trader and become a consistent trader, and don't risk your own capital if you have not enough capital. And I want to say you become a profitable trader. Best of luck. I want to say go and start your trading journey. Thank you.